Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Did you know you can easily use your PlayStation 4 controller to play Need for Speed Unbound on your PC? It's true. This provides a much more familiar and immersive driving experience, bringing the console feel right to your desktop. You won't need to purchase a new expensive gamepad, which saves you money and hassle. It's a fantastic way to enjoy the game with the precise control you're already used to, making every drift and chase feel just right. First, connecting your PlayStation 4 controller is quite straightforward. The simplest and most reliable way is using a standard USB cable, directly plugging it into your PC. This ensures a stable connection with no input lag, providing the best performance for those intense races. If you prefer a wireless experience, your PC's Bluetooth can work too, though it might require a quick pairing process to get started. Once connected, Steam makes the setup process incredibly simple. Open Steam and head into Big Picture mode for the best experience. Within Steam's controller settings, you'll want to enable PlayStation configuration support. This crucial step allows Steam to natively recognize your DualShock 4 controller and apply the correct mappings. It ensures your game sees the controller properly, so you can jump into the action without manual remapping. Good news, Need for Speed Unbound typically recognizes your PlayStation 4 controller without extra effort once Steam has it configured. If for some reason it doesn't respond right away, simply navigate to the controller settings within the game's main menu. Here, you can fine-tune things like steering sensitivity and even rebind specific actions to different buttons. This personalization ensures your driving experience is perfectly tailored to how you like to race. Should you encounter any stubborn issues, a few quick troubleshooting steps can help. First, verify your PC's device manager for proper controller driver installation, ensuring everything is up to date. Sometimes, a simple restart of Steam or even your entire computer can clear up any lingering connection glitches. With your PlayStation 4 controller now fully optimized, you are ready to hit the gas and conquer every challenge in Need for Speed Unbound. Have fun out there.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.